The Air Jordan 1 Low Inner Beast drops fall 2025, likely around Halloween, and is built exclusively for kids. This fierce pair encourages young athletes to embody their inner strength, echoing Michael Jordan's legendary black cat mentality. A stealthy black upper made from mottled leather and textured suede sets the tone, while clawmark embroidery on the forefoot and matching underfoot graphics emphasize its wild energy. The glowing green outsole and fluorescent inner beast typography on the insoles amplify the supernatural, beastly aesthetic. Metallic silver outlines the tonal swooshes, offering a sharp contrast that draws the eye. A clean white midsole breaks up the dark palette, adding balance to the design. Beyond looks, the sneaker delivers a motivational message rooted in perseverance, confidence, and identity, ideals long tied to Jordan's legacy, now reimagined to inspire the next generation of young hoopers.